Elon Musk and Pi Network keep popping up in the same conversation, so let's separate signal from noise. Pi Network's Open Network mainnet went live on February 20, 2025, moving from an enclosed ecosystem to full external connectivity after more than 10.14 million mainnet migrations and over 19 million identity-verified users. That's real scale. Now the Musk stuff. No official statement that he accepts Pi coin reports calling that a rumor are on point. He hasn't responded to community outreach and those viral Tesla Pi tablet with Starlink for $119 posts. No official confirmation. Treat them as promo fluff, not product news. What about value? GCV 314,159 meant as a symbolic nod to P and Unity. It's not an official market price. Prominent voices inside the community have called the GCV code hype misleading because a number without liquidity isn't price discovery. On the market side, as of August 2025, Pi traded around 0.35. OKX Bitget MXC down roughly 99% from the initial $1.3 to $2 range seen around launch, despite big early volumes on OKX. Volatility is real. So why are people still paying attention? Utility. Pi's architecture targets smart contracts, DeFi peer-to-peer payments, and global access via mobile mining. If Pi can turn everyday phones into a gateway to on-chain apps, that's a strong wedge for adoption. Do I think Musk and Pi are destined to meet? Maybe in spirit. Open innovation, wider access, big bets, but don't invest on vibes or rumors. Track the build. More apps, more real transactions, more developer traction. The future isn't just tech. Trust utility and community. If Pi delivers on-chain value people actually use, price will follow utility, not the other way around. Stay curious, verify everything, and keep your expectations grounded.